So there we can see the difference in the profile shape and the tread patterns. Loops all the way here. Strangely enough, I found balancing beads from inside the rear wheel. I can't imagine why somebody would do that on a motorcycle, but I had good luck with these tires. I initially ordered S20 Evos and they sent out S22s, which is the newer model of the same tire range. So that's oil change done and Bridgestone S22s installed. There's the lowering links installed. They dropped the bike a bit more than the seller said, but well, it's got an adjustable rear spring, so no problem there. The rear tire is 140 with the same profile. The stock is 130, so it raises up the bike about 7 millimeters. The stock clip-ons lack all adjustability. They mount to these holes and on top of the front forks. I bought these, they give some adjustability to the angle and the length. That's the size of the rider, so for the time being we have some challenges with his height. A little bit of battle scarring from previous outings, but hey, that happens. I lost the indicators somewhere along the way.